Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to take you on a look at the 2024 Toyota Hilux GR Sport. This is the latest addition to Toyota's Gazoo Racing GR lineup, and it's designed to be the most powerful and capable Hilux ever. Exterior: the Hilux GR Sport is based on the already tough Hilux, but it adds a number of aggressive styling cues to give it a more menacing look. Up front, there's a new grille with the honeycomb mesh insert, flanked by LED headlights and fog lights. There's also a new front bumper with a skid plate, and a new hood with a GR badge. Along the sides, there are wider wheel arches that accommodate 17-inch alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires. There's also a new side skirt, and GR Sport badges on the front fenders. At the back, there's a new rear bumper with a diffuser, and a new spoiler above the tailgate. The GR Sport also comes with a unique exhaust system that gives it a more aggressive sound. Interior: the Hilux GR Sport's interior is just as sporty as its exterior. There are black leather seats with red stitching, a GR Sport steering wheel, and GR Sport floor mats. The infotainment system has been upgraded to a 9-inch touchscreen, and there's also a new head-up display. Performance: the Hilux GR Sport is powered by a 2.8-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine that produces 224 horsepower and 550 Nm of torque. This is the most powerful engine ever offered in a Hilux, and it gives the GR Sport a 0 to 100 km/h time of 7.6 seconds. The GR Sport also comes with a number of performance upgrades, including a new suspension, a rear differential lock, and a crawl control system. This makes it even more capable off-road than the standard Hilux. The 2024 Toyota Hilux GR Sport is the perfect truck for anyone who wants a powerful, capable, and stylish pickup. It's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. I hope you enjoyed this look at the 2024 Toyota Hilux GR Sport. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more automotive content.